Hello, welcome. We are working on making a box with a finger joint on the seams. I got in contact with Tim Dyck. He has his blacksmith channel. A while back, I asked him if he wanted some axe handles made, and we couldn't agree on a price for that, but he called me back and he wants boxes made for his axes. I ordered bits off of Amazon, and they said they're supposed to be the right ones, but guess what? They're not. So I have to put together a bit for my router. Hopefully we can make it work. Amazon doesn't know what I need. They sent me the right pictures in the description, but they sent me this instead. It works great if you're seaming two boards like this, if you're seaming two boards together this way, but it doesn't work good if you want to seam them this way. You see it has you see those grooves? They're tapered, and they need to be straight, or else you can't join them on ends with finger joint this way. So what I'm going to try to do, see if I can take this apart, take these apart, and put them together. These just need to be the same dimension. I don't think they are. Okay, so I have three. I'm going to try to stack. I could just do it on the table saw, but I need to figure a way to mass produce these because he wants almost 50 boxes made. And to do each individual box at the table saw is just not worth the time. So I need to really think on how to mass produce this. And what I have to do is try to get these to line up in such a way that I have the exact cutting distance between them. So, as you see that, I want this blade to be able to fit in between that. So it doesn't fit. So I have to space it out more, to add some spacers in there. Okay, so that's one bearing and how many spacers? 6. Falling people, listen up. It's never too late to change your life. So don't let them steal your life.
Raise it up, it'll take the whole thing apart.
Yep.
Oh boy.
This is what the process is.
2 hours later.
Okay. Let's see how that goes. Test number 2. How'd that happen? This is smaller now.
This one's bigger and this one's smaller.
So this one's good. But what's this one? This one is the top one. My math is not working out.
20 minutes later.
There we go. Okay.
A lot better.
That's what you want. Nice, snug.
Good.
Good.
Just have to tap it in.
A little bit of glue, and then I just need to plane them down to 1/2 inch. And then we need to cut them to width and length. And then don't screw them up. have to rip them down to size now.
You want it standard?
Nope, nothing. He doesn't do all that. I think he just wants to burn, like, brand them, that's it. Inside dimensions, 7 1/4. So we need to add 1/2 inch to that. So 8 1/4. And then 17, so that makes it 18. So I need 2 pieces at 18 and 2 at 7 or 8 1/4.
18 wide by itself.
And then 4 inches high. Don't do that. Okay. No, I was trying to figure out if it starts big, I think it ends with a notch, right? So I think it ends like that. So I can't flip it. And they're not exactly 1/4 inch either, they're slightly bigger. Okay. So if I start there, it's gonna end, actually it might end at full. I think I'm just gonna do the other side, same as this, right? And then raise it to the next level, and then flip it, and then come back down again, just to make sure they all hit the same.
So basically, what you're saying is there's a stud, and there's no stud.
Sorry, Dave.
Yep, sorry. Oh well.
Stud finders don't lie.
Never.
You know, my mother always said, if you can't be handsome, might as well be handy. Right?
Yes.
Okay, how do I not test on this? Actually, I could have this one in the back, actually. Not even that. I didn't take into account that the bottom bearing sticks out past that, it rubs on it. So that doesn't work either. What's
Can't
that?
you put more of these on the bottom of this? Or does it have to sit where it is?
That's true, actually.
Take some of these off.
Yeah, and put them on the bottom, yeah.
Lift it up.
No, that's true. Good thinking.
20 minutes later.
Then that's still sticking out.
The next day,
You gotta do this side now? Gotta do this side? Shush. Shush, camera person. Flippy? Flippy? Flip. Flippy this way. And then that. Realign all the teethies. Teeth on the teethies. Yeah, so see, like that there.
So you want your which side you rip them on?
Close. So this part here. So cut that off of there, or remake this.
Wouldn't you have to do it all on just the thick side? Just the thick side.
No, just do it. No, I can't do it just on the thick side because it then on how it has to bite in, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, if I cut that, yeah, probably cut this side off here and then cut that side off there.
Like on the other one?
Yeah. So cut that side and cut that side.
So the
And then
thick
it
side.
leaves, yeah. So yeah, you're right. Just the thick sides. So rip these down just under 3 1/4. I think I'll just run. I'll leave it 1/8 from an end,
Yeah.
and then just flip it every time, right? Move it in that little bit, and then flip on all ends. And that should do it. And then leave about 1/4 inch.
Let them get in your head, in your head. So don't, please don't let them get in your head, in your head.
It's a little tight still. You need to make it still probably either bigger or kind of just, probably just putting that down more. What screw that? Wrong way. I goofed it.
It's not.
Yeah, I cut off the wrong end. Don't think I can flip it.
You can't just flip it like that?
No, because the lines don't line up different. They don't line up the same.
Babe. Why'd you do this?
It's because I have a camera in my face.
You asked me. You've asked me to be here.
I told you why. There, yeah, should have been this way. Wait. I'm just not smart enough.
So it is how it was.
It's fine now. I just thought this is the top, but this is the top. It works just fine. So I didn't screw up anything. Oh, see? Oh, perfect. I didn't do anything. I know what you're talking about. I was just trolling you.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
totally trolling you.
Sure.
Totally just trolling you.
They don't know you like I do. Like I do. They don't know you like I do.
Gotta clamp it together. Suggest. Now that.